Hi, it's Ian from Xencelabs. In this video, I'm going to take you through the unboxing and the setup of the Xencelabs Pen Display 24. Let's jump in. The Xencelabs Pen Display 24 comes in a very well packaged and secure box. The pen display itself only weighs 6 kilograms and comes with everything you need to connect to your computer and get up and running. On the back, there's a complete list of everything you're going to find included within the box. On the front of the box, you can see the pen display is Pantone validated 4K Ultra HD resolution and has 1.07 billion colours. Once we open the box and remove the foam packaging, we see the display. It is important to mention that the display has the tilt stand attached. It comes with it. So let's lift this out and see what else we have. Now we have everything you need to get up and running. To start, I'm going to attach the 2 rubber feet. These simply attach to the bottom of the display in each of the available slots. As I mentioned, the tilt stand comes with the display and can be adjusted with one hand between 16 and 72 degrees. The quick keys and quick keys clip allow you to position the quick keys around the display in any position you need. If you're left or right-handed, you can easily change the quick keys to suit how you work. Each pen has its own pen clip. This allows the pens to be attached to any of the 8 slots around the Xencelabs pen display. Xencelabs provide extra nibs, USB dongle for quick keys, an adapter if you need USB-C connection, and there's even nib extractor and 2 pens in the case. There's power adapter and the power leads for your region. Xencelabs supply all the necessary leads to get you up and running. On the back of the Xencelabs pen display, you can attach the necessary leads to connect to your computer. I'm connecting a USB-C cable to the pen display and also the other end to my computer. It's important to use the correct USB-C port on your computer for this to work. At the top of the pen display, there are 2 USB ports and a power on/off button. Once you've connected the pen display to your computer, simply press the button at the top to turn it on. On the front of the display, the 3 device control buttons will light up and the pen display will switch on. Now we need to head over to the Xencelabs website to download the drivers and start customizing the pen display and the quick keys. So this is my new workspace all set up and running. If you want to find out more, please check out the website xencelabs.com.
Xencelabs.